Hey everybody, how are you? It's Bill with Franklin Loan Center. And hey, one of the biggest challenges I'm seeing with clients right now is they're out looking in this very limited inventory market and they're just not finding the house that they want, right? It's either it's a junky house, it's not, it's not fixed up, they don't have the money to renovate it, whatever it might be. Well, we might have a great solution for that, and that's renovation loans, right? And we've got a lot of people have heard of the FHA 203K loan, which is there for renovations. But there's renovation loans for in the conventional world, right? That require 5% down. The FHA 203K is 3.5% down. If you're a first-time home buyer, you can do the renovation loan with 3% down. And then there's even some jumbo options for renovation loans. So you're out there, you're finding the property that you need, and you're like, how am I going to come up with a down payment and fix this place the way I want it? This could be a great solution, right? So just want to put that out there. Again, I understand there's such a limited inventory that it can be really challenging to find a place. This could be a really great solution. And of course, FHA in particular has some limitations, but on the conventional side, it's pretty, you can do a lot of different stuff. You can change walls, you can do all sorts of things. So maybe a renovation loan is for you for what it's worth. We also have a ground up construction, so brand new construction. We can help you out with that as well. So looking for construction or renovation loans, think about me. I'm Bill and I'm with Franklin Loan Center, and I'll see y'all next week.